This is a used 2012 Mazda 5 Zoom Zoom, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, an MP3 player, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Tiffany Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 300 Gateway Drive, Hollister, California, 95024.